Welcome back to German with Andy. This is the German for Beginners class, day 1. Today we're gonna learn a new question word, wie. Wie means how or what. For example, you could say, wie geht es dir? As in, how are you? Wie geht es dir? How are you? 2 interesting answers. Ich bin glücklich. Ich bin glücklich. I am happy. Ich bin wütend. Ich bin wütend. I'm angry. So, wie geht es dir? Alright, let's move on. A second question that you could make with the question word wie is wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? What's your name or how are you called? A typical answer would be Ich heiße Andy. Ich heiße Andy. I am Andy. My name is Andy. Ich bin Andy. I am Andy. Ich bin Andy. I am Andy. Alright, now how to use it? Both questions can be answered with ich bin. However, ich heiße is only used for your name. Alright, remember, wie geht es dir? Wie heißt du? Go ahead and practice, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.